Hi, this video is week 4 of the JDBC. My code tonight is going to encompass some of the optional work too, as well as the required work. The required work on this one was just to have the ability to update the customer selected. You were suggesting hard coding. I made it so you could put in anyone, because why not? So update customer. So we have our original query written. That will go ahead and get all from the customer for the customer number we select. So it does a try resources on the connection for connection 1. Then it runs a statement for statement number 1, which is going to be this guy. This is read. And then we'll go ahead and execute the statement with the customer number that we got from input. And then the result set will go ahead and run. So basically with result set, that's going to allow us to pull information from our initial read. And then what we have next is another try with resources on connection 2, and then another statement, which is statement 2, which is update customers. We're setting customer name, last name, first name, phone number, address lines, city, state, zip code, country, and sales rep ID number, as well as credit limit. And we're doing that based on the customer number. So what happens is the information gets passed from the result set into the printouts. So it'll go ahead and print out the old names, old strings, or whatever it may be. It'll basically pass through the data that we're needing to pass through. And then as far as the customer number, it's we're not changing the customer number itself, so we're just passing that back through at the very end from above. And that's pretty much it on that. And then once it gets that information, it goes ahead and formats the print. So it has all the updated information. And then we go ahead and close statement 2. Then we do connection 2 close with a catch. Then we do the results close with a catch. Statement 1 close and connection 1 close with a catch. And then once that happens, it'll go ahead and say customer successfully updated, press enter to continue, and then we'll go ahead and press enter, and it'll blow us past through all that. So we'll go ahead and run the program. And I have written a method for viewing all of them at once, like that, in the shorthand. I just don't have delete written, but we're going to go ahead and do update because that's what we're after. We're wanting to do customer 129. Company names staying the same, so we're not changing that. This is already updated because I forgot I ran it already, but had to re-record. So we'll go ahead and change it back to her old name, Murphy, Julie, and we'll leave the number the same. We will go back to the old address. And this is San Francisco, Cali. I don't know the postal code. We're going to go with 1165. And I believe her original, it doesn't really matter. We're just going to put in a random one anyway. All right. So we can see we've successfully updated our customer. This is the old data here in the brackets. And then we have the new data showing here. Looks like I just need to fix my format a little bit on that for the printout at the end. But we can see successfully updated. We'll go back. We'll view a single again. We'll do 129, and we can see that information was updated from what I just did. So yeah, until next time, ahui ho.